Hello everyone, my name is Ulat Marjorie Spiras, a sophomore student taking up BS Electromechanical Technology at Don Maria Marcos Memorial State University, Mid La Union campus. For this video, we will be talking about the circuit breaker that we have at home.
There are different poles of motor control breaker: the single pole breaker, the double pole breaker, and the triple pole breaker. The circuit breaker that we have at home is a double pole breaker. As you can see, the switches are not connected to each other. According to my father, it is the right and left circuit breaker, which I think is the part of double pole breaker since it has two switches. Double pole breakers have two hot wires that are connected by a single neutral wire. That means if there's a short circuit on either of the pole's hot wires, both strips. These breakers can be used to serve as two separate 120-volt circuits, or they can serve as a single 140-volt circuit such as your central AC circuit. If you are planning to buy and install this type of breaker that we have, which is double pole breaker, the cost may vary according to the ampere that you choose. In Lazada, 15 to 40 ampere is worth 460 pesos, and if you want to buy a higher ampere, the 60 ampere is worth 720 pesos, and the highest ampere that is available in online shops is 100 ampere that cost 1,300 pesos. The breaker that we have only has 30 ampere, therefore, the possible price of this is 460 pesos. Take note that the prices are based on online shops. The advantage of having such breaker: unlike single pole breaker, the advantage of having double pole breaker is that it provides twice the amount of volt service in ampere. Double pole breaker are warranted for power sources requiring higher voltage and amperage rating. The reason why we choose this kind of breaker in our household is that because a double pole breaker is a type of circuit breaker. It is a circuitry switch that secures all the house electrical circuits. Furthermore, it is used for a specific voltage range. Just like what I said, it is a left and right circuit breaker. The left switch is connected to every room, while the right switch is for the living room and the kitchen. The reason why my father chooses this kind of breaker in our house was that because in case there's a short circuit that might happen in one of the rooms, the short circuits will only occur in that particular room and has no chances to affect the other rooms. Hence, it is a safety switch. Thank you and God bless.